Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by unplugging and stabilizing the keyboard so you can work confidently. Once done, remove the keycap and expose the switch. Use fine, pointed tweezers to compress the two retaining clips simultaneously, one tweezer per side if needed, because squeezing both clips prevents bending the housing. Make sure to lift straight up with steady, even force. If the switch resists, pause and reseat the tweezers rather than forcing, since angled pulling can damage pins or the plate. Once the clips are compressed, you continue by coordinating both tweezers so the switch slides free smoothly. Make sure to maintain even pressure because uneven clips can snag the housing. Tilt the switch very slightly, about 10 to 15 degrees, away from the printed circuit board to clear the pins, and keep a finger or soft pad behind the switch to support the PCB. If movement feels gritty, stop and wiggle gently. Slow, controlled motion prevents bent pins and keeps the board intact. To finish, you inspect the removed switch and the PCB holes for bent pins or debris. Carefully straighten any slightly kinked pins with the tweezers and clean the contact area with a lint-free swab and isopropyl. When installing a replacement, align pins and press down evenly until clips engage. If you hit resistance or the switch won't release, make sure the switch isn't soldered or secured to a plate. Once confirmed, stop and reassess rather than forcing, which could cause permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.